Welcome to this new video tutorial on the Autodesk Revit course for the beginners. In the previous lecture we have learned that how to add slab and floor, and we have created this opening and this slab, and in this tutorial we will be modifying this opening for us, and we will be adding a stair from level 1 to level 2. So for this we will be needing this opening and the floor. So here you see that we will be adding a stair of width 3 feet. So we will be fixing the width to at least 6 feet. So here you see that I'm modifying this for my staircase, and now this is modified, and hit finish. And now see, go to the level 1, and here you see that opening is created in the slab. And now from the architectural tab, here you see the stair option, and here just start adding your stair. Here you see the stair has selected, and I will be adding the stair with the default properties. But if you want to change its property like riser or tread size, so here you can change this from edit type, and here you see the maximum riser height and the other properties of the stair you can change and select according to your desired properties. But I will not change it right now. Here I will be adding this with default properties. Here change the center to the right, and it will be added to the right of this selected line. But before that, let's me correct the constraint that its base level be at level 1, because it will run from level 1 to level 2, and let offset will be 0, and select the top level to level 2. So the top level is level 2 selected now, and here you see now this is added according to this line. And now select change the left to right now, and it will be added to the right of this selected line. So it will run in that particular direction. Now click finish. But here you see this is not added to the desired opening. I will fix it soon. I'll move the staircase a bit upward, and it will be fixed then. So I have selected the stair, and now pick it from here and move this to the desired opening place. And now see from the 3D. So here you see the stair is added perfectly. You can pan and see around, and just to see that whether it is added correctly or not. So here you see this is added very perfectly to the opening. Now in order to view it more clearly, let me first create a section view here. So click on this view option, and here you see the section view. So here create a section for the stair. So draw your cursor, and here click double click on this. So your section view will be created. So here you see the section view has created successfully, and now you can see around this and see that how it is connecting to level 1 and level 2. So this conclude this video tutorial. Hope you have learned something. Thank you for watching.